Hi everyone, this is Divya. Welcome back to the channel. Here we are to perform an exercise which is considered to be one of the favorite exercises of a lot of people when it comes to the back day, because this exercise can be performed using a machine which is usually available in most of the gyms. So even to the hotel gyms that I've gone to where there are very basic minimum inputs, this particular machine will always be there. That is a lat pull down. So here we are going to perform a wide grip lat pull down. Though it's considered to be a very easy exercise, I would say, there are a lot of mistakes that occurs in this particular exercise because we forget the very basics that need to be taken care of during performing this movement. So basically, while performing this exercise, there are two important joint movements that is happening, that is shoulder adduction as well as elbow flexion is happening. So in this particular action, the muscle groups involved will be primarily latissimus dorsi and teres major of your back region, as well as your elbows will be engaged, which is your elbow flexor muscle of the bicep groups, as well as one of the element is your shoulder retraction which is happening, and a little bit of your trapezius muscles, the lower trapezius muscles will also be engaged. So come, let's understand the basics of this particular movement so that you don't make a mistake and you will be able to readily access the machine and do it during your trips, your tours and wherever you go to. Come, let's perform the exercise. So here we are near our lat pull down machine. So I have a lat pull down machine which has very basic essentials only, right? Because most of the lat pull down machines that you will see will have an anchoring system over here which is restricting your legs from going up. Because you're bringing a heavy weight down, there is a tendency for you to lift up your body and not be able to stay stable. But my machine does not have that. But if you have an anchoring system, something that will restrict your leg movement upwards, please adjust it according to your height, according to the length of your leg, so that your feet is completely fully touching the floor and it doesn't lift up as you bring up the weight. So here we have approached the machine. So here one of the confusions that you will have is where to sit on your seat, which part of your seat should you be sitting. So for you to understand, the key here is to know that you will sit in the place where the road will come immediately above your mid skull region. So for example, I've come this closer into the machine, and if I hold the road in a wide grip and I bring it down straight, if I bring it down and I don't remove my head, it will touch my mid skull, and that is where we want to bring it. Okay, so by that I will understand that my positioning is right in terms of sitting, and like I said, if you have an anchoring system, an anchoring pad, then you can adjust it according to your length of your legs and where you don't want to make it move. So my feet is completely touching the floor and I'm ready to go. I'm holding the road in a wide grip. Please ensure that it's not a narrow grip but a wide grip, and I am ready to go. So I look up, and as I bring down the road, it will be near, very close to my face, and I don't go completely back. I'll come just behind the road so that it just is 1 centimeter distant from my face as I bring it down, and that is the key, because if you go completely back, you don't create a proper 90-degree between your forearms and your humerus, and you will not be able to create a proper shoulder adduction and feel your latissimus dorsi and teres major. So look up, breathe out, breathe in, and bring the road down. So that was a wide grip lat pull down. Like I said, this is a very basic movement and exercise which you will be performing across so many gyms that you will be going to. But if you don't ensure the basics, then you're going to make a lot of mistakes and you're not going to get the real benefits that you can easily get out of this particular movement. So the key points that you need to remember once again, first, it is to ensure that if you have an anchoring system or a padding system, to adjust it according to the length of your leg while you sit. Please adjust that so that your feet does not rise up as you bring down the weight, because it's going to be heavy. Second thing is to ensure where to sit in the seat. So the positioning of your body in the seat is too very important. Here, to ensure that while you sit, your road should be just above your mid skull region, and if you ensure that and you bring down and see that that position is clear, then you're good to go. The third thing is to ensure that the shoulder adduction is proper. Like you have in a pull-up, here also you have a shoulder adduction, and the key is to ensure that your forearms forms 90-degree with your humerus, so that when you bring the road down, it forms a 90-degree and you're really able to feel your latissimus dorsi, teres major and other back muscles, and not completely off your elbow flexor muscles. So if you don't really perform it well, what you will feel mostly is your upper arms and not really your back muscles. The upper arms or the elbow flexors will completely do the movement for you, and the target muscle or the prime movers will not be working. And also, finally, to ensure that you maintain your position, keep your retraction of your shoulders proper throughout the movement, and you completely don't release the road after the movement, is something that you need to ensure. And this is something that's really going to shape your back muscles in a very good manner, and aesthetically it's something that's very important to achieve your goals, especially for all the women and the men out there. If you have any queries with respect to this particular movement or the ones that we have already performed, or you want me to cover in the upcoming videos, please let me know in the comment section. So until the next video, it's a goodbye from me. With love, always and forever, Divya.